4.5 meter zipper with the YG slider. We call this slider YG slider. We also have another slider. For example, this one is auto lock slider. Normally for jeans zipper, use the YG slider. And this is the close end. This is the bottom store. This is top store. Now this teeth is the white teeth. We have lily teeth, normal teeth, white teeth, cone teeth. This shape is white teeth. Normally people choose white teeth for the dress zipper, dress trousers. Let's see. Now it's writing 4.5 on the back side. And you see the polishing is very good. It's very shining. And this slider with double lock. From this side have a lock. From this side also have a lock. And we have two models for your choosing. One model is negative, another model is non-negative. Let's see. Okay, you can see this one is negative. The negative catch the slider very easily. But this one, see, I cannot catch any slider. The weight is 500 pieces per kilo.